So you want to make $10,000 a month. You see all these young, hot, rich influencers earning obscene amount of money and living the sort of life you dream of. Fast cars, expensive restaurants, fancy vacations, the list goes on and on. Hey, maybe you even look at my Instagram and you think, fuck this guy. Look, everyone wants the secret to making $10,000 per month, and I'm about to give it to you. But here's the catch. You will hate it because it's not exciting or flashy. It's boring, but it works. And this is the same process that's allowed me to make over $1,200 a day at 22. And I didn't do anything revolutionary, and the truth is, I never even went to university. All I have is my high school diploma, which is basically just toilet paper for me at this point. Now, I have a gift for you. When we hit 30,000 subscribers, I will give away $2,000. All you need to do to win that money is to watch the video until the end, to subscribe, and to share it with a friend. Let me be straight with you. I spent years chasing the wrong opportunities. I wasted thousands of dollars and countless hours jumping from one shiny object to another. Dropshipping, print on demand, Amazon FBA, YouTube automation, all those so-called easy business models that promise quick riches. But do you know what I discovered? They're all designed to keep you stuck in a cycle of mediocrity. Dropshipping sounds amazing on paper. Sell products without holding inventory. But the reality is that you're competing with thousands of others selling identical products from the exact same suppliers. Your profit margins get squeezed to almost nothing. After add costs, most dropshippers are lucky to make $500 profit per month. That's not financial freedom, that's a side hustle that barely covers your basic living expenses. Now you may wonder, oh, what about print on demand? It's the same story. The market is flooded with generic t-shirts and mugs. You will spend more on ads than you will make in profit. The numbers simply don't work. And what about all these new AI side hustles everybody's pushing? They will be saturated before you even finish watching the tutorial videos. The people making money aren't the ones doing the hustle. They're the ones making videos on it and profiting from advertising revenue. Now, YouTube automation sounds great until you realize how much content you need to create before seeing any meaningful income. Not to mention the budget you would need and the level of complexity that goes into making high quality content that gets millions of views. Now what about Amazon FBA? The startup costs are enormous. You need thousands just to get inventory. Then you're building on rented land. Amazon can change their policies anytime and wipe out your business in an instant. In fact, I've seen some very successful sellers become so successful with their products that Amazon literally started to make their own version of it and promote it instead. And just like that, they kill your business overnight. Here's what actually works if you want to hit $10,000 monthly, fast, high-ticket coaching or consulting. I'm talking about taking a skill, a knowledge or a passion you already have, something you're genuinely good at, and packaging it as a solution to a specific problem. The math is simple. With physical products, you might make $20 profit per sale, and that would be big. But that means you need 500 sales monthly to hit $10,000 in profit. With a $2,000 coaching package, you need just 5 customers. So which one sounds more achievable? But here's the brutal truth, and this is where most people fail. Everything you dream of is on the other side of the boring, consistent work that you keep avoiding. That fancy car you want, it's waiting for you behind thousands of hours of focused effort. That dreamy vacation, it's behind hundreds of sales calls. Buying your mom a dream house and retiring her, it's behind months of content creation and outreach. And especially as a man, providing isn't just a goal, it's your duty because your family is counting on you, your future children are counting on you. But that responsibility requires embracing the unsexy tasks that actually move the needle. What does this boring work look like? Creating valuable content consistently, reaching out to potential customers directly, following up multiple times, building systems, tracking your numbers, improving your skills daily. None of this is exciting, I know, but it works. The secret to hitting $10,000 monthly and quickly is removing all distractions. I have a saying, the shorter the time frame, the harder the intensity. Think about weight loss. If you want to lose 20 pounds in a year, you can make small adjustments to your diet. But if you want to lose 20 pounds in a month, you need drastic measures. Making money works the same way. You want to make $10,000 a month within a year, you can work a few hours daily. If you want it within 90 days, you need to go all in. This means no Netflix, no video games, limited social media, and fewer nights out with your friend. You're choosing temporary discomfort for lasting freedom. Most people aren't willing to make these sacrifices. They want the results without the work, and that's why most people aren't making $10,000 monthly. Let me share with you what my daily routine looks like. So I start every morning with 1 to 3 hours of deep work, No phone, no distractions, just focused effort on my most important tasks. For me, that's writing scripts for my YouTube video. I know content creation is my highest leverage activity, so I prioritize it when my mind is freshest. So before the world wakes up, I've already completed my most important work. Now your deep work might look something different. Maybe it's creating your coaching program. Maybe it's reaching out to potential customers. Maybe it's improving your skills or building a funnel. Whatever moves the needle most in your business, that is what deserves your undivided attention first thing in the morning. Most people waste their best hours scrolling through social media or responding to emails. And then they wonder why they're not making progress. Your morning routine determines your financial future. But here's another crucial point. You must keep an open mind and commit to continuous learning. You don't know what you don't know. If you already knew how to make $10,000 per month, then you would have done it already. This means investing in your education, reading books, taking courses from people who've achieved what you want, joining mastermind groups where you're the least successful person in the room, because your current knowledge got you to your current income level. New income requires new knowledge, new execution, period. The formula for hitting $10,000 monthly isn't complicated. Choose the right business model, embrace boring, consistent work, remove all distractions, prioritize deep work, never stop learning. Do this for 90 days straight, not half-heartedly, but with complete focus, and you will be shocked at what's actually possible. But most people won't do this. They will keep chasing the next shiny object. They will keep making excuses. They will keep wondering why success seems to happen to everyone else but them. But you're not like most people. You're still here, listening to the boring truth. That tells me you're ready for something different. You're ready to put in the work. So here is my challenge to you. Commit to 90 days of boring, focused work. Choose your business model today. High-ticket coaching around something you know well, preferably. Remove all distractions from your life. Start your day with deep work on your highest leverage activities. And of course, never stop learning. 90 days from now, you could be making more per month than most people make in a year, but only if you get started now. Now, I've put together a free training that shows you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% in profit. I'm literally sharing with you all the secrets step by step, so all you have to do is to copy me. And right now, I'm also offering free consultation calls where together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to $10,000 per month as quickly as possible. The link will be in the description below. And with that being said, I will see you on the other side.